drowning in admin work inside your real estate business? If so, maybe you've fallen into the ultimate trap, what I'm calling the 14-hour day, 7-day a week continuum that just never ends, and yet your business cannot get any better. And even though you've invested lots of time and money into your technology, it's just not doing it for you. Well, if that's you, I have a solution. Inside of SAM, what we can do is we can build automated workflows. We call these routines to handle lead management, client follow-up, and paperwork without manual processing. Now, here's the kicker. You can build out traditional workflow automations just like you might have in any other CRM. They're gonna have activities, and they're also gonna have messages built inside of them with templates. But we can actually do that much simpler because those workflow automations, traditionally speaking, might have taken you weeks, if not months to build. Well, inside SAM, if you click this little Let SAM Build It, it's going to ask you for an objective. From here, all you have to do is share in plain English what you are hoping to accomplish. In this case, we're going to write a 6-day new lead first time home buyer series that's going to nurture those leads by sharing info on tips, trips, and traps in the first time home buying process over the next 14 days. Now from here, all you do is hit generate and you let SAM get to work. What SAM is going to then do is start building all of the activities, all of the actions, and even the templates inside of this workflow, so you are guaranteed to have a workflow automation that is built to run inside your business, and instead of taking months or weeks to build, it's going to take a matter of minutes. Now that it's got all the steps, it's creating all of the templates, getting ready to build. We currently have 6 out of 32, 10 out of 32. We are going on 14 out of 32, and you can see just how fast SAM is able to create these templates, all of these actions and these activities that are going to help this workflow automation run for you. Now imagine what you are going to be able to do in your business, building out all of these automations that traditionally would take so long to make, even if you know exactly what you're wanting to make. And think about how fast this is going to work when you start implementing SAM into your business. All right, now SAM has completed all of that work, and now look at all of this. Now, obviously, these day-numbered ones were the ones that we had previously built in there, but SAM was able to complete all of this, and on top of completing all of this, we have actions, and we have objectives that are going to allow SAM to build custom messages for you. We also have introductions, and in those, we have templates. Now, these templates are actually real, ready-to-send messages that SAM has written for us. Now all we have to do is go inside and preview them, and we're ready to go. The ultimate goal for you as a real estate agent is to start being able to work smarter, not harder, so you can reinvest that time that SAM is saving in friends, families, or just finding a hobby, things that are going to fill up your cup. Now, if you think that this solution is something that you would be interested in using, go to sam.workflowsecrets.info and sign up for a 14-day free trial, no credit card needed, and try it out for yourself. I can't wait to see you.